Australia, Jackson, Morgan, Vinton, Washington, West Virginia, Jackson, Mason, and Wood. When 3:15 a.m. East Standard Time Friday. Impacts rivers, creeks, and other low-lying flood-prone locations. And 10.5 inches have fallen. Freezing rain will gradually become the dominant precipitation type this afternoon. However, the runoff will contribute to creeks and streams in evening hours. Some locations that will experience flooding include Parkersburg, Athens, Belpre, Jackson, Wellston, Point, Gallipolis, Roy, MacArthur, Hill, Beverly, and Grande. Flood safety information. Dangerous and heavy. Do not attempt to cross flooded roads. Find an alternate route. Report severe weather to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 800.